Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about speech marks, which we use to show the exact words that has been said by someone. Right, so today we're going to meet Sophie, who is a girl who met an alien that came from another planet. They will be talking. Sophie will be afraid at first, but later on she gathers confidence and courage. The alien is huge. It picked Sophie up and it cannot speak good English. So please do not laugh at him. Ha 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 ha.
I is the VFG. What is your name?
My name is Sophie. What sort of human beings do you eat?
I is never doesn't human beings. I is a friendly giant. Is you warm enough in your 90s?
I'm fine, thank you.